Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and everything is gone. No savings in your account, no job to clock into, no family or friends to bail you out, no connections to lean on. Just you, your skills, your brain, and the world around you. At first, the panic sets in. How would you pay for food, rent, bills? How would you survive, let alone thrive? Now here's the bigger, scarier question. In today's world with inflation, job automation, and economic uncertainty, could you still become wealthy starting from absolute zero? Could you really go from nothing to a millionaire in 2025? My answer, yes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact 6 steps I would take if I had to start completely over today. These steps aren't built on luck or fantasy, they're built on strategy, discipline, and the opportunities that exist right now. Stick around until the very end, because the final step is the multiplier, the strategy most people ignore, but the one that can change your financial future forever. But before we dive in, let's set the stage. The financial landscape of 2025 looks nothing like 2015 or even 2020. Inflation has raised the cost of living to levels many people can barely keep up with. Artificial intelligence has reshaped industries. Some jobs are gone, but entirely new ones have appeared. Digital finance tools, apps, platforms, and decentralized systems give ordinary people opportunities that used to be reserved for the wealthy. And the harsh truth is this. If I had to start from scratch, the first thing I'd accept is that nobody's coming to save me. Complaining won't pay my rent. Blaming the system won't put food on my table. The only things I can control are my mindset and my actions. That's why the most important asset I'd start with isn't money, it's resilience, adaptability, and discipline. Once your mindset is in the right place, strategy becomes simple. So here it is, my 6-step blueprint to go from zero to millionaire in 2025. Step 1, build survival income. When you're at zero, survival comes first. Forget about investing. Forget about big business ideas. You need to cover food, shelter, and bills. You cannot think clearly about wealth while your stomach is empty and your rent is unpaid. So my first move, generate fast cash flow. In 2025, we're lucky. The digital economy has made it easier than ever to create income quickly. Here are some immediate options. Delivery services, Uber Eats, DoorDash, or local alternatives are accessible almost instantly. You sign up, get approved, and start earning within days. Freelancing platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services, even simple ones like data entry, proofreading, or customer support. Tutoring platforms. If you're strong in a subject, English, math, coding, or even playing guitar, you can teach students globally from day one. Remote assistant work. Companies are always looking for virtual assistants to manage schedules, emails, or customer inquiries. And here's the twist. In 2025, AI makes this even easier. Let's say I don't know video editing. AI editors can help me cut, format, and polish clips in minutes. If I'm not a strong writer, AI writing assistants can turn my thoughts into professional content. If I can't design, AI tools can create logos, posters, or even full websites for me. At this stage, I wouldn't care about passion or perfection. My focus would be on stabilization. Cover rent, cover food, cover bills. The goal is simple, stop drowning. And here's a lesson most people miss. The first $100 you earn from scratch, without an employer or safety net, is life-changing. Not because of the amount, but because it proves something deeper, that you can create money out of thin air. That belief in yourself is more valuable than the money itself. Cash flow before passion. Survival before scaling. Step 2, learn high-income skills. Once survival is handled, the next mission is to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. How? By mastering high-income skills. A high-income skill is any skill that allows you to earn $50, $100, or even $500 an hour. It's the difference between working all week to make $500 and working half a day to make the same amount. So what are the most valuable skills in 2025? Let's break it down. AI workflow automation. Businesses are desperate to save time and money. If you can set up AI systems that cut their workload in half, you're worth thousands to them. Coding and app development. Every business needs tech solutions. Even basic coding skills in Python, JavaScript, or Kotlin can earn you projects. Data analysis. Companies are drowning in data and starving for insights. If you can turn numbers into strategy, you'll always have work. Digital marketing. Helping businesses attract and convert customers online is evergreen, and AI tools make you faster and more effective. Content editing and creation. Video and social content dominate the internet. Skilled editors, even AI-assisted ones, are in huge demand. Finance consulting. With inflation and uncertainty, individuals and businesses alike are hungry for money management advice. Here's the secret. You don't need years of school. You don't even need formal qualifications. Free and low-cost resources are everywhere. YouTube tutorials, Udemy, Coursera, even AI-powered learning assistants. If I were starting at zero, I'd dedicate 2 to 3 hours every day to learning one of these skills while keeping my survival job running. Think of it like planting seeds. At first, you water them daily with effort and patience. Eventually, they grow into income trees. And the rule I'd follow is this: the richer your skills, the richer your opportunities. A person with no money but valuable skills is never truly poor. Step 3. Create multiple income streams. Now comes the transition from worker to builder. With survival income stable and high-income skills under my belt, the next step is to create multiple streams of income. Why? Because relying on one stream is financial suicide. If that one dries up, you're back at zero. Here's how I'd approach it. Active income streams. Freelancing, consulting, or contract work that pays directly for my time and skills. Semi-passive streams. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. These take time to build but keep earning. Scalable streams. E-commerce stores, YouTube channels, or subscription-based communities that can grow without my constant presence. The internet makes this possible for anyone. Imagine I start a YouTube channel documenting my journey from zero. At first, nobody watches, but slowly an audience builds. Eventually, ads, sponsorships, and product sales turn it into a legitimate income stream. Or maybe I take my AI automation skills and package them into a small online course. I charge $50 per student. Sell it to 100 people. That's $5,000 from one product. The key here is reinvestment. If I earn $1,000 a month, I wouldn't spend it all. I'd reinvest 30 to 50% into building side hustles. That might mean paying for ads, upgrading tools, or outsourcing tasks. This is how you create safety nets. If one stream collapses, the others hold you up. And eventually, one of them might explode into something massive. Multiple streams equal multiple opportunities. Step 4. Master personal finance. Here's the truth that destroys most people. Making more money doesn't automatically make you rich. If you can't manage money at $1,000 a month, you won't manage it at $10,000 a month either. This step is about discipline, about financial literacy. Here's the playbook I'd follow. Emergency fund. Build a safety net worth 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This shields you from sudden disasters. Understand debt. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is a tool. It builds wealth, like borrowing to invest in real estate. Bad debt is poison. It drains you, like maxing out a credit card for gadgets. Track every dollar. In 2025, budgeting apps make this effortless. When you see where your money goes, you naturally cut waste. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is the killer. You start earning more, and suddenly you upgrade your car, your apartment, your wardrobe. Now you're broke again, just at a higher level. Instead, live below your means and stack the difference. Think of money like water. If you don't plug the leaks, it doesn't matter how much you pour in. The bucket will always be empty. Earning is offense. Money management is defense. You need both to win the game. Step 5. Invest for growth. Now we move from making money to multiplying it. This is where the real wealth gets built. In 2025, there are endless options, but the principles remain timeless. Stocks and index funds. Simple, steady, proven. Over time, they beat almost everything else. Real estate, especially rental properties in growing markets. Not only do they appreciate, they also generate monthly cash flow. Digital assets, crypto, tokenized real estate, or other blockchain-based investments can be powerful, but only with proper risk management. The secret is compounding. Even $500 a month invested wisely can grow into $1 million over 2 decades. That's the quiet, boring math that creates millionaires. But here's the warning: don't chase shiny objects. Scams are everywhere. If someone promises you 10x returns overnight, run. The real winners invest slow, steady, and consistent. My rule would be simple. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Buy things that grow in value, not things that lose value. Step 6. Build a personal brand, the multiplier. Finally, we arrive at the multiplier, the strategy that can accelerate everything else. In 2025, the internet is the single biggest wealth-building tool humanity has ever had. And the most powerful way to use it is by building a personal brand. That doesn't mean you have to become a celebrity. It means sharing your journey, your knowledge, and your story in a way that builds trust with an audience. That could be on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, podcasts, or even a simple blog. Here's why it matters. When you have an audience, everything else multiplies. You launch a course, it sells faster. You start a business, customers come to you. You need connections, people reach out. You want opportunities, they appear. Your audience becomes a built-in market. And in a world where attention is currency, having people's trust is the ultimate asset. Think of it this way. Two people can sell the exact same product. One has no audience. The other has 100,000 loyal followers. Who do you think succeeds? Your story becomes your business, and your journey from zero becomes your advantage. Conclusion. So if I had to start from zero in 2025, here's my blueprint. Build survival income. Learn high-income skills. Create multiple income streams. Master personal finance. Invest for growth. Build a personal brand. It's not about luck. It's not about shortcuts. It's about strategy, discipline, and execution. If you follow these 6 steps consistently, you can transform your financial life, even starting with nothing. Now let me ask you, if you had to start from scratch tomorrow, what would be your very first move? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your strategy. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more practical financial strategies every single week. Remember, financial freedom is possible, and it starts today.